Hiccups. Why do we get them? It's all about your diaphragm. That muscle that helps you breathe suddenly spasms, causing that annoying sound. But here's a fun fact. Scientists believe hiccups are a leftover reflex from our ancient ancestors who had both gills and lungs. And did you know babies actually hiccup in the womb? It's true. They do it to exercise their breathing muscles. Now, if you think holding your breath will stop them, think again. Most hiccup cures don't really work. They usually just go away on their own. What's the weirdest hiccup remedy you've tried?